How to start an app on a startup on your Mac. So simply open your system settings and now go to General, and here scroll down and open Login Items and Extensions. Up here is the Open and Login option, and if you want to open some app at the startup, click on this plus, and here select the app which you want to start after you log in to your account or after you turn on your Mac. So for example, Spotify, and click on open. The Spotify app will appear here, and now if you turn on your Mac, the Spotify will be turned on immediately, so you don't have to click it. It will run Spotify automatically. So that's how you can do it. If you want to remove it from there, you can click it and click on this minus, and it will not start at the start. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.